All internal parts must be in the correct position to install succeeding parts. The remainder of the video shows the details of the part aligning and installation. The 4-arm action slide arms will go in easier with the receiver turned bottom up. Squeeze the elevator arms together. Insert the round pivot attachment points into the receiver holes. Raise the top of the elevator even with the receiver. Depressing the bolt's locking lug may make installing it into the receiver a bit easier. Install the bolt locking lug and extractors to the front with the locking lug facing to the top of the receiver. Slide the bolt rearward. If the bolt stops on the ejector, push the ejector in to finish sliding the ejector into the bolt's channel. Lower the elevator to rest on the bolt. Slide the bolt back to align it with the receiver cutouts for installing the bolt slide. Move the action slide arm tabs forward to where they can seat in the side cuts of the bolt slide. The bolt and action slide arm tabs positioned for installing the bolt slide. Insert the bolt slide slotted in rearward. Seat the action slide arm tabs in the bolt slide cuts by adjusting the action slide arm's position. In the bottom picture, you'll see the bolt before the slide is installed. The tabs or ears on the action slide arms have been pre-positioned to interlock with notches in the bolt slide. The top picture shows the integrated bolt, action slide arms, and bolt slide installed all together. Repositioning the bolt to half open keeps the bolt and locking lug from interfering with the installation of the barrel. Function check. Load, fire, empty remaining round in the chamber with the action lock lever. Prior to disassembling or assembling your Mossberg 590, consult the owner's manual for safety and advisory information to prevent damage to you or your gun.